Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing facial treatment for your face. We're going to be using one finely chopped potato, one finely chopped ripe banana, 1 cup of rice flour, and the juice from one medium-sized lemon. What we're going to do is we're going to pour in all the ingredients into our blender. And you blend until you have a smooth paste. Now, for those of you that have sensitive skin, make sure you dilute your lemon juice. This is our paste. The first thing you do is to wipe your face with a wipe or a wet cloth, or you can even wash your face if you want to, just to get your face ready for your treatment. And now what I'm doing here is I'm applying the treatment with my bare hands, because I find that when you scrub it in, it works perfectly. Rice flour helps reduce acne. Potatoes helps brighten the skin, hydrates your dry skin, tightens it up, and then the banana moisturizes, the lemon lightens your skin. Now you're supposed to leave it on for about 20 minutes until it's completely dry, and then you wash it up and pat your face with paper towel, and then after that you apply a moisturizing cream of your choice. So you can do this twice a week. If you have any questions, just drop your questions in the comment section. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.